Hello folks, I'm James and this is John. We install Clear Secure Windows Security Film. Once installed, most customers want to know how to maintain their security film so it will last as long as possible.
Our company helps people all over the US protect their weakest point of entry, glass, in a world where crime is on the rise. We care about your safety and security, so we try to make it affordable for everyone.
Windows Security Film is engineered to withstand impacts, whether from attempted break-ins, accidents, or extreme weather conditions. It acts as a powerful deterrent to potential intruders, sending a clear message that trespassers are not welcome.
Security film is installed on the interior surface of existing glass windows. This prevents glass fragments from entering the building and harming occupants if the glass is broken.
Clear Secure Security Film is available in a variety of thicknesses, ranging from 8 mm up to 21 mm. The thicker the film, the greater its strength.
Windows Security Film is designed to be as transparent as regular glass. Other options include tinting or a reflective surface that allows you to see out, but prevents anyone else from looking in from the outside. Security film also blocks 99.9% of UV rays.
Now that you know more about Windows Security Film, it's critical to know how to maintain it. The most important step in maintaining your security film is to keep it clean. Because film is installed on interior surfaces only, the exterior surface of windows can be cleaned using regular glass cleaners.
Interior surfaces, however, require special care to prevent damage to the film. Be very careful never to use products with ammonia or other harsh chemicals.
To avoid scratching the film, which has been installed on the interior surface of the glass, use lint-free cloth, such as microfiber or an old t-shirt.
Keep any sponges wet and blot the film with a clean, dry, non-abrasive cloth rather than a squeegee. As mentioned earlier, the exterior surface of the glass can be cleaned using any normal glass cleaner.
Well folks, thanks for watching, and if this has been helpful, please follow us for additional tips and tricks.